let me tell you how you can fix a mirror to a wall without using fixings. A common misconception is that whilst most silicons have a degree of adhesive properties, many mirrors have foil backing on the glass that isn't compatible with the chemical ingredients used in silicons, especially epoxy. And so the correct choice for most cases will be a dedicated mirror adhesive, of which there are several available on the market and do a fair job on sticking smaller, lighter mirrors to walls. But I prefer the overall final bond strength of 3C's Max Bond to do a proper job every time, which gives you peace of mind that the adhesive will last the distance. Now, I've personally used Max Bond on over 50 different substrates around our house, garden and products. Now, I even stuck a number of mirrors to our plastered, painted bedroom walls, as well as fixing down these huge rolls of artificial grass to our workshop studio roof that is made of fiberglass. We did this over 2 years ago now, and they're still fixed down as strong today as they were the day I did them. I hope that's answered your question, but if you've got any more, please comment below.